Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant associate as well as the professor vacancies notification from the four different colleges guys, and here the only PG candidates and the PG plus UGC net candidates also opportunities are there, and the pay scale is UGC or the ACT pay scale you will get guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, out of the four colleges, it is the first one, that is Lucky Reddy Balreddy College of Engineering. And from this one here the advertisement is there, so click on this one and then you will be directed to the advertisement guys. That means from which departments the vacancies are announced here. So applications are invited for professors in CSC and IT, associate professor and assistant professor in positions in CSC, IT, EC, EEE, ME, CE and AAC departments. So the interested candidates can apply through the prescribed format available in our college website. So it is a website guys, okay, on or before 31st May 2021. So if you click on this one and then you will be directed to the online application format. Okay, so online application you will get guys. So first of all you have to download the application form here, and filled in application as well as the relevant scanned documents has to be sent to careers@lbrce.ac.in. And the interviews are conducted only to the shortlisted candidates. That means there is no written test here. Interview notices are sent through the SMS or the email, and candidates are expecting to bring the original certificates of qualifications as well as the experiences. And the candidates are informed that there will be a written test, demo and the interview for the final selection. Yeah, so as per this point, you have to think that there will be a written test case. So actually in the second point they mentioned that interviews are only for the shortlisted candidates. Of course, their selection procedure is first written test, demo and then the interview. Fine. And coming to the instructions, qualifications and all these things. Okay, so click on that link and then you will be directed to one PDF here. So in this PDF you may check down qualifications. While coming to the department wise, the qualifications are given here. Anyhow, coming to the assistant professor, the qualification required is a post graduation. So here the UGC NET or the PhD is not required for the assistant professor qualification guys. Okay, and the remaining formats that you may check down. Anyhow, you have to send on or before 31st to the careers@lbrce.ac.in. Okay, so it is the notification from one college. I will provide the link in the description box of this video, so you may clearly find out guys. And coming to the second one is you may check down here. So Mithibai College of Arts, and applications are invited for the following positions. So faculty position, that is assistant professor for various programs at the college as mentioned below: economics, English, psychology, statistics, business management, advanced accountancy, applied statistics and the data analytics as well as the commerce. Okay, so these are most of the postgraduate programs, and along with the teaching, coordinating and delivering the programs will be main responsibility of the faculty. And the non-teaching positions are also there, you may check down. And you may visit the careers in its official website, then you will get the complete details regarding this one. And here the 15 days of publication you have to apply for this one guys. Okay, so you just search down in the Google for the Mithibai College of Arts and Chauhan Institute of Science guys. Then go to the careers block and then you will be directed to the notification. Fine. And the next one is advertisement for recruitment of faculty and the non-teaching staff. So Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, the university guys. So in this one, post of professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies in the following disciplines: BCA, BBA, hospital management and assistant professor for the English, mathematics, accountant, librarian, admission coordinator, technical assistant, storekeeper, peon, electrician, plumber and sweepers are required here. And eligible candidates send their complete CV with photo within the 10 days from the date of the advertisement. And here the email ID is also given here, you may check down guys. And if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then here the contact number is also given here, so you may contact this number. And coming to the next one is from the Noida University. So from this one, here they are recruiting the content writer and the communication officer guys. Qualification and experience should have good command in English knowledge and must have the previous experience in the content writing. Graduates or masters in any field and 3 to 4 years of experience in content writing. Send link to the past work, and the job role is also given here, and the job location is also given here. So you have to send your resume to the hrd@tnu.in. Fine. So total these are the 4 different colleges, guys, and here you may check down. So all the colleges, fine. So regarding to apply to this one, just search down in the Google regarding the Lakredi Balreddy College, as well as this Mirabai College of Arts, and as well as anyhow for this college you need not to go to the official website. You have to simply send your resume to this provide mail ID. So even though if you are having the post graduation qualification, just try to apply, guys. Okay, just send your resume to this provide mail ID. So depending upon their university rules, they are going to send you the next round next round through the mail or else the contact. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also. interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay, so the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.